Hey Seifu,
Hey Rachel.
how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm also fine. So, what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. I
Uh-huh.
was just dusting this.
What is it?
This is a monitor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, that's a gimbal.
It's an audio monitor from this company,
Alesis.
Alesis.
Yeah.
And then it's this model, M
Let me see if I get that.
M1
Yeah.
active
MK2.
MK2.
Okay.
Active means it's powered.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's powered. So
Alright.
there are some that are powered and some that are not powered. And it has an inbuilt amplifier.
Okay. So that makes it active. That's
Yes,
inbuilt.
it is active. Yeah, it's like a volcano. It's active. And it's already open. It was
Yes.
brought here for repairs.
Yeah, it definitely looks old. Not like the new systems that we unbox, right?
Yes, yes. And as well, it's a reference monitor. It's used to record in the audio production studios.
Okay.
It's very good because it will give you exactly what you want to achieve without alterations. And it has the power input.
Yes.
Where you use the normal
40.
240 volts. And then it has a switch.
Yes.
Yeah, this switch. Yeah. This side one means on.
Okay.
And then this other side should be a 0 here. Means that's off, so it's on and off. And then it has this line input. This line input is for it's a combo. Combo means you can use both XLR and the jack, a quarter jack. So you can insert both on this either. Okay. Yeah, you can't insert both at the same time because once you have an XLR, then you can't do a jack. And then it has a level input. Yeah, this is to increase the level before it gets into. So you increase the input of.
Oh, so let me say I have my from whatever source, yeah. I have my XLR.
Yes.
So I can play around with the level from here.
Yes, you can adjust the input level to
the monitor
itself. Yes, yeah, yeah, very important. Yes.
So you mentioned it's here because of some repair.
Yeah, they needed us to repair this.
Okay.
But again, it has been damaged. Meaning it wasn't stored very well. All this and. Again, what we needed to do is first check inside because it's coming in from another repair shop. Yeah. So someone has already gone into this.
Yeah.
So what we will check.
So it didn't even have screws on.
Yeah, it did have screws. Yeah.
Wow.
So
that is not good.
So we'll need to replace the screws as well. They're like how many? There's 10 screws. There's in 4, then 2. So we need to also order the screws. And then this is the board.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the board. If I may show you clearly. It has really been tampered with.
That's the power.
This is the power supply.
Okay.
The power supply. And if you see somebody was here and tried to tamper with it, if I may show you all this. See this is a resistor. This big unit. It's a resistor.
So for us laymen who do not understand electricity, what's a resistor for?
Resistor is to minimize current in a certain area. From my understanding, it seems that this area has been tampered with. There's something missing here, and that's why I replaced this. Yeah, these are not original cables that are supposed to be here.
All right. And the resistor, is it original? Is it?
It's not meant to be in this circuitry. because of how you see how it has been placed. It's placed in a wrong area. Yeah, there is a ferrite transformer that is supposed to be here.
Okay.
Yeah. So the reason why I'm saying this is not supposed to be here is if you look at the circuitry very well, there's a different drawings. All these, this is a professional circuit. So you find that like do you see this R11?
Yes.
R11,
yes.
It means there's something missing there, isn't it? There should be a component there, and
yes.
R means resistor, so there's a resistor that is missing there.
Oh.
Yeah. If I show you this R19, R19, there is exactly a resistor there, but there is a drawing before that resistor underneath. There's a drawing.
Yes, I can see.
You find on this, there's a drawing here. Yeah, if I may just wiggle this out of the way, because I don't need it. So you see here there is a T1. You see that? T means transformer,
yes.
And then underneath there is a drawing for the transformer.
So the transformer is not supposed to be there.
Yes, there is a transformer that is supposed to be here, and it's not there, and
so
that's the reason why I'm saying this is something that is not supposed to be here. Someone tried to modify this board. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what it is. And then if I also look through anything that looks suspicious, if I go very fast, there's no fuse here. See, there's no fuse. Yeah. So this can't work without the fuse. And then if I might go, this cable doesn't belong here. Yeah. If you look down there, if you go close down there, if I may bring it close to you.
Yes, please, because of some light.
You find that inside there is a resistor. It's not a resistor actually, it's diodes which are missing. If I may put like that, you see that's D4.
Yes, I see D4.
That's one of the diodes. There is D1 and then there is D4 and then there is also D3 beside it. So that means that those items are also missing there, and that's why you see there's this cable that has been introduced in this board.
All right.
Yeah. So that's the power supply, which for this time we can't be able to repair this.
Okay. Sorry guys, that's a gimbal.
We need to replace the whole board.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because there's some vital
components that are missing.
There.
This other board, this is the amplifier, the amplifier board.
Now the power amp.
Yes, the power amp. Yeah, yeah. If you check here, it's written here. This P W R
amp.
Then amp. That's power amp, and then the MEC for this power amp. Yeah, and that looks fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even though you have to go closely and see what have been tampered with. Yeah. If we go through this, you see there are two ICs here. This is one of the IC. It's, if I can read it to you, it's labeled LM2876 TF. This is an it's actually the driver, the power driver.
Okay.
Yeah. And then if you also check, there's another one. They should be the same. I hope. Not
by
quite
power
sure.
drivers, what do they do exactly?
These are the final outputs for the power amplifier.
Okay.
Yes, they're the main drivers for the speakers. Yes. Yeah. They're the main drivers for the speaker. As in the input, the input of the line input, which has to come through this. If you check here, these are the line inputs. This connection, and then it comes out through these connections. Yeah, where there are cables. and these are the cables that goes to J2. J, it's a connector that comes in there, and then it has to travel through these ICs. These IC are pre-amplifiers. They're pre. So from here, and then they have to be directed to this power amplifier. From here, that's when it comes out as an output here. This output now connects to the speakers that are inside the unit itself.
Okay.
Yes. So these are just they are the final output to the speakers.
All right.
Yes, yes. And if you watch closely, I'm not quite sure if, but look like it has damage. Oh, it's I'm not quite sure, but looks like if you watch closely to that, it's doesn't look clear, but it looks like it's cracked or something. Yeah, it is something that you have to look closely with a magnifying glass to see if it's cracked or something.
Okay.
But that again has to be checked after. The most important thing is the power supply.
Yes.
Which has to be fixed first before now you check on this board.
Yes.
Yes, because you don't know what happened, what could have caused the power supply to die.
True.
Yeah, yeah. But in most times, this unit, they're always okay. Yeah, always okay. So that's what we need to fix this first, and then later we test and see if the amplifier is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Then inside this unit now, you find that that's the woofer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the woofer, which is now our base unit. Yeah, and then if you go inside closely, inside there, that's now the tweeter. Yeah,
Okay.
that's now produces the high frequency sound, and this one produces the low frequency sound. Yeah, then inside here, magically, whoa, there is a transformer. I think this is part of the modification that this guy was doing. There's a transformer, and as well, you see here, you see these 4 diodes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see them.
This is a bridge rectifier. Yeah, whereby what was happening is this guy was trying to modify the power supply. Yeah.
Yeah.
He was trying to build his own power supply by using a transformer and these diodes. The transformer, what it will do is it will convert the AC voltage. It will step down the AC from 240 to a certain level, which I don't know what size this transformer is.
Okay.
Yeah, but if we check on the back of this, we'll see what's the requirement. The DC output
should be.
It's not indicated here, but let's see on this part. You see this part. It's when you input between 100 and 120 volts.
Yes.
It should give out plus 36 volts. This is DC, and 1 amp. So that's the requirement for that. But again, it has got that is 36, and then when you input 200, between 200 to 30, yeah,
you'll also give up
these are the DC requirements for this unit. So this power supply produces this. In fact, these are the readings for the power supply. The voltages, the input is this, and then these are the outputs, the DC. So what he was doing with this, The transformer, what it does, it steps down
from the 240
to the 36, yeah, or 18, because there is 36, positive 36, negative 36, and then positive 18 and positive and negative 18.
Okay.
So positive, positive, and then negative. So he was trying to build his own power supply using this.
This bin Kenya, he was using the 240, right?
Not necessarily Kenya, because again, let me see inside here. Another resistor again. Yeah, see so many things that are left inside here. But again, this one will produce. If I may.
Sorry. Okay.
If I may get to remove this with this. We need a screwdriver.
I can get one.
Just get a screwdriver so that we remove it out. Meshach, a screwdriver equal?
Meshach is not listening. That's Meshach for you.
Screwdriver, the star screwdriver.
The
star screwdriver, you flip.
In the box.
In the box. Run. Nice. That's the star.
Rachel insists that we need to fix this.
Yes, we should. So, and I should be the one fixing.
Part A of this.
It's just diagnosing.
Actually, it's more of.
The speaker.
I have to open this.
Sorry.
I don't know what it did inside here, but it looks as if he poured glue on top of the.
Yeah.
He poured glue on top of that. No.
So that it sticks.
Yeah.
Is it then come out?
We have to use a little bit of force to remove this. Just have to, because I don't need it anymore. If we fix this, then.
That is if we get the power supply, we just don't need all this.
We don't need this. This is not what manufacturer recommends, and that's why we usually tell our clients just let it get diagnosed professionally. Yeah. Just have to use a little bit of force on this.
Clearly, you're using too much force. It's not coming out.
Should be coming out in any second, but again, it's tightly screwed in there. Just hope that we get to learn on fixing these things.
Yeah.
Because now, if everyone should repair with no knowledge, then this is what happens. Okay?
True.
It's a big problem. Because now it will cost more money than what anticipated to use repairing this.
And this forms.
Yeah.
They're meant to what?
These
Absorb sound.
These are meant to absorb. Because again, sound inside this is not supposed to bounce on it. Yeah. So that you can get a clean sound, you need to again absorb it. You only hear exactly what you intended to hear. Yeah. Not a repetition of the same sound. So these are acoustics. They do absorb sound. Yeah.
Well, it's a tiny device and it's really hard to get it out right.
Yeah.
Yes, that guy was really...
Can I get pliers?
Yeah, sure. Pliers.
Trying to pull it out. Need some lighting, a little bit of lighting.
Let me give you lights. Are you fine?
There you go.
Yay!
Hard one.
Finally.
Yeah.
After 5 minutes of pulling and pulling and pulling.
Yes. And, this is it.
It was definitely glued.
This is a transformer. The step-down transformer.
Okay. So what is its... Do you say capacity?
This does the step down.
Okay.
These are inputs. Yeah.
Now the 240.
The 240 gets in here.
Okay.
And then you get whatever voltage that comes out of this. I'm not quite sure.
Is it indicated?
It's not indicated, but we can check online and see if you get this model. Then you'll be able to know how much output it steps down. Steps down to. But what I want to show you is these 4 diodes.
Now that's, let me guess.
This is the one that actually does
AC to DC
conversion.
Okay.
AC to DC. So the output, which should be this part.
Okay.
This part and this part is the input. And then this part and this part should be the output. Because if you see here, this is the positive side of the diode.
Let me focus.
This is the positive side, and this is the negative side. So, and if we see here where they're connected, the negative side connected to the positive side, that's where AC goes in. And then the positive side, these 2 parts are positive side. So this is the positive output.
Okay.
And then these 2 sides, where it's negative and negative, this is the negative side of the other output. Now you get positive and negative on this side. So this one, this where it's negative and positive goes here. I think that's how it's supposed to be. And then you get DC on this other side.
Okay.
So this is what he was replacing the whole of this unit, which of course never worked for him, and that's why this unit is here.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So
Awesome.
these are the cables. These connectors now. These are connectors for the speakers. Yeah.
From the power amp.
Yes, from the power amp, exactly. And then we have one that lights. Should be a light around here because there are 3 connectors.
Okay.
Should be a light exactly on the name. See that?
It glows.
Yeah. So this is a light. So to show that the unit is on, this is the tweeter and this is the woofer. So that's why you have got these 3 cables.
All right.
This one is for the woofer. This is for the tweeter, and this is for the power to power the LED. Yes. So after we fix this, then we'll be able to test and
see if it's working, right?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah. Basically, that's the whole thing.
Nice. So we'll definitely record the...
Yeah, the second part now, it will be ordering these units, whereby we'll go online, check on this model, this specific model, and see if we can get the parts, talk to the manufacturer, we bring in the parts, we replace, then fix it back.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice, yes. So tell people that.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Welcome. Or thank you for watching. See you as we repair this.